So we wrote a little, some ideas here also. Then this verse, the keynote here, and it's a watchword. You have to be careful about this word. Chittam aparitam. That Krishna he's a thief, aparitam, and he steals. He doesn't steal money. He doesn't steal gems or jewels. He doesn't steal your property. He doesn't even hack your Swiss bank account. He doesn't even hack your Swiss bank account or anything. But what does he steal? Chitta chor. He steals the heart and the consciousness. So I said Krishna is chitta chor, vastra chor, makan chor, chitta chor. He's a thief of minds and hearts. And do you believe this? Listen, I'm asking you a question. Do you believe that Krishna steals minds and hearts? Yes?
Yes.
So you're all been robbed?
Yes.
So we're all evidence of that. We're proof, solid proof. Proof positive that Krishna steals minds and hearts. It's well known that Krishna's been stealing since his babyhood, because this is called Subhav. Because Krishna tells in Gita in the 13th chapter that Karanam Guna Sangha Sat. Karanam Guna Sangha Sat Sat Asat Yoni Janmasu. He said one is born in a particular yoni or womb of a mother, female, according to his Guna Sangha. The cause, the Karanam Guna Sangha Sat. Previous life, prior life, we did good and bad things, and then the cumulative effect of all that good pap and punya karma will give us a particular janam in a Sudra family, a Brahmin family, a wealthy family, a beggar family. So this is Karanam Guna Sangha Sat, Sat Asat Yoni Janmasu. So the Sangha. So Krishna, obviously his last life he was a big thief. And Krishna's, before Krishna, when he was around, wherever he was a really big thief. Because, he's always a thief. Because he's eternally a thief. He's nitya. So right from the very earliest days, he was stealing. He could as soon as he walked, because you can't steal unless you can walk. You can't steal unless your hands work.